Because of the consistent turn of events and advancement of the thoughts of the digital currency local area, the cutting-edge crypto market needs new specialized and applied arrangements that could further develop client collaboration with crypto. One of these ventures is the Cosmos organization, and its inward advanced coin Atom Cosmos is an environment comprised of blockchains that can associate with one another. Until its creation, each blockchain was confined and couldn't cross with the remainder of bullish on-chain measurements. Moreover, it was hard to accomplish high exchange speed. In any case, Cosmos offers another mechanical vision. In Cosmos, the blockchains function as free equals, controlled by the Byzantine fault tolerance (BFT) calculation. The entire framework works on the Tendermint agreement made by Jae Kwon in 2014. Universe makes an environment of blockchains that can scale and interoperate. The Cosmos project has a few significant specialized highlights assisting with accomplishing the cooperation objectives. Versatility, Byzantine fault tolerance, proof-of-stake calculation, and cross-blockchain spans. Universe price analysis. Universe is a decentralized organization interfacing free blockchains to guarantee communication between them. The organization works on the Tendermint agreement calculation, and the designers position it as an web of blockchains. On August 18, Atom's cost expanded by 25% from $15 to $20 after the send-off of the DeFi firewall interface called emeris. Toward the finish of August, Cosmos engineers sent off a span to the Ethereum organization. Incorporation of SafeChain, a decentralized trade DEX on Cosmos organization, with the Inter-Blockchain Communication (IBC) convention, permitted to manage exchanges among Cosmos and Ethereum networks. Interestingly, Molecule United States dollar halted the hop on September 14, withdrawing to the past all-time high help level of $32.5, with a few days of solidification around the cost region. On September 16, the Cosmos cost made another push higher, laying out a new low top, as bulls were not yet all set any further. Then again, the Atom coin has kept on ascending since August 23. It pushed through a few snags before at long last breaking out of a transient solidification range toward the start of September. The Atom project digital money swapping scale in this way, past the $40 mark, laying out another record-breaking greatest cost of $44.42 on September 20. Universe actual price. As indicated by CoinMarketCap.com, the real Cosmos value as of 14th of December is $21.37. Over the course of the last day, the cost has expanded by 5.70%, and throughout the week, it has fallen by 1%. Universe cost examination has shown that the computerized resources expense diminished by 12.5% in a month. Also, its worth has expanded by 276% throughout the year. Besides, Atom has an ongoing coursing supply of 226,226,028 coins. Market predictions. There is a considerable amount of rivalry among projects attempting to settle the communication issues between blockchains. Universe's rivals incorporate new businesses like Polkadot, Aeon, and Penta. Universe offers a stage for making installments and trading data between blocks, however the issue of cooperation between blockchains is as yet significant. The answer for it will permit not exclusively to make installments between blockchains yet additionally to trade data in full. Hence, the fate of the undertaking relies upon its turn of events. It is unsafe to compose an estimate for the Atom cryptographic money, very much like for some other computerized resource, the crypto market is excessively capricious. In any case, some face challenges and voice their choices. Regardless of whether they agree with the truth is another inquiry. As per wallet investor and digital coin price, the Atom rate will keep acquiring benefit in a question of a year. Toward the finish of 2021, it could reach nearly $30, making it 33% of likely development. Governor capital cost figure isn't more bullish than others, since it predicts that the cost of Atom could reach $29. Many specialists who reason basically and don't face challenges consistently exhort in the event that you put resources into Cosmos, not to an extreme. Likewise, they help us to remember the way that such ventures ought to be seen as long haul. There will be no easy gain for this situation. What's more, obviously, Atom's possibilities will be impacted not just by the improvement of the actual venture, yet additionally by the condition of the digital money market overall. Universe Price Prediction 2022. As per the specialized examination of Cosmos costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Cosmos will be $12.39. The most extreme level that the Atom cost can reach is $13.84. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $12.78. August 2022. Cosmos price forecast. Around mid-year 2022, the Atom cost will be exchanged at $11.14 by and large. August 2022 could likewise observe an expansion in the Cosmos worth to $11.84. It is accepted that the cost won't drop lower than $10.75 in August 2022. Molecule price forecast for September 2022. Crypto specialists have broke down Cosmos costs in 2022, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to September 2022 $11.58. The most minimal and top Atom rates may be $11.20 and $12.29. October 2022. Cosmos price forecast. Crypto investigators expect that toward the finish of summer 2022, the Atom cost will be around $12.05. In October 2022, the Cosmos cost might drop to at least $11.56. The normal pinnacle worth may be $12.87 in October 2022. Particle price forecast for November 2022. Having dissected Cosmos costs, digital money specialists expect that the Atom rate could arrive at a limit of $13.35 in November 2022. It may, be that as it may, drop to $11.90. For November 2022, the anticipated normal of Cosmos is almost $12.29. December 2022. Cosmos price forecast. Around mid-2022, the Cosmos cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of $12.78. Crypto experts expect that in December 2022, the Atom cost could vary somewhere in the range of $12.39 and $13.84. Universe Price Prediction 2023. After the examination of the costs of Cosmos